These are the ingredients.
They will also be in the description box below.
Separate the egg whites from the egg yolks.
Then weigh out the sugar.
Whisk the egg whites until they form stiff peaks.
Add the cream of tartar.
Add all of the sugar in, 1 tablespoon at a time.
Place the mixture in a piping bag and then pipe a swirl onto a baking tray. Repeat until you have used up all the mixture.
Bake for 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Once the meringues have finished baking, leave them to cool in the oven and do not open the door.
This is the final product.
Serve with anything you would like.
Enjoy baking!